Good morning, my dear friend. Today my topic is connectivity. If I ask you to feel your hands, please touch your hands and feel your feet. Just have the sense of feel your feet. So, may I ask you, is your feet connecting to your hands now? Are your hands connecting with your feet now? Yes, I think in terms of the skin, which covers your whole body, in terms of nerves, the muscle, the blood vessel, and also the fascia. The whole body is connected in different levels and layers and scales. We use different terms as like muscles and nerves or skin or tissue organs. Actually, if you look it in a total picture, is the body. And as an acupuncturist, we have another dimension or word is meridians. Anyway, we can feel it right now, the whole body. So please take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, letting go of all the worries, concerns. Inhale. Take in the fresh airs and energy. If you do meditate, you may sometimes feel when your body is so relaxed, it will come to a point where you feel your whole body as one. It's like you're not breathing through your nose or mouth. You're also breathing in every cell. The whole body is breathing. Especially when you're deep in the meditation, the whole body breathing is a higher level of breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you cannot feel it, you can first visualize it, like you visualize your whole body as one. And every breath you take in, all the skins, every cell in your skin and every cell in your body is inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, the whole body is inhale, exhale. In this way, you are consciously choose to connect your whole body as one. Now let's expand this sensation of oneness to your room. Now look at your room. You may find a lot of objects, tables, chairs, computer, cell phone, and people. So may I ask you, what is connecting all the objects in your room? The space itself. The space contains every object in it, so it's the medium that connecting every object. Traditional understanding is that space separates us. No. If you're a frequent meditator, if you have like sense of space consciousness, space is the very media connecting every object, not only in your room, but also every object in the city, in the planet Earth, and the cosmos. So at this level, connectivity is infinite, big. And again, you can feel it if you are stable enough. Inhale, exhale. Instead of looking at objects around you, you kind of zoom out from them and zoom out from every object you can see. It's kind of, there's a space between you, the perceiver, and them, the objects. So this space is connecting everything of what you see right now. I give you, maybe it's too abstract, I give you more like grounded experience. For example, every breath we take in, do you know how many atoms it contains? Every breath we take in contains 10 to the power of 22 atoms. 1 followed by 22 zeros is huge number. Mainly carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen, mainly, which takes up 96% of your air. And where does this atom come from? From trees, from grasslands, from ocean, from plants mainly, by a process we call photosynthesis. It's like half your lung is hanging over outside of you. Every breath you take in, you are connecting the whole nature. And the carbon dioxide we exhale is the nutrition for the plants. You see that connectivity, the cycle of connection. So please don't take granted for the air you take in each breath. At this very moment, you are connecting to the every leaves and blades of grassland and trees, not only clear nearby, but also far away. Okay, let's feel that connectivity. Inhale. Thanks for the oceans, trees, and grasslands. Exhale. And send your love to them. Inhale the love from grasslands, trees, plants. Exhale your love. Send your love back to them. In this very simple movement, it's a huge connectivity. And also, it's not connectivity outside, it's also connecting inside. Every breath we take, oxygen goes to your lung, to your bloodstreams, vessels, and give the dioxide to every cell. We call it cellular breathing. Let's enjoy this in simple action of breathing. Okay, let me give you another example of connectivity or connection or union right at this moment. No matter what you are, where you are located, or no matter what city you are, think about one of your best friends, where he or she is living. You are connected with him or her right now. Not only by the air, not only by the space, you are connected in a very physical way. The roads, the avenue. Imagine you just drive to his or her location. You see, you will choose a road, a route to his or her place. And that route is the route of connecting. It could be your best friend, it could be your office, could be your family member, even out of the city and other countries. You are connected with him or her right now in a visible or invisible way. In a visible and invisible way. See the airlines between two cities? Even there's no physical plane traveling in the space, there's a route connecting them, invisible to you. But it's a visible route for the pilot. Again, take a deep breath. Feel that connectivity to your best friend far away in different cities even, or your family members in different cities. You're connecting not only by the space, but also physically through any road, or ferry and inland roads, and by the Wi-Fi. You see, the connectivity or the union is really in very different level if you are aware of that connectivity. It's a huge realization. You're not alone. You're not separated from anything. You are separated from nothing. You are connecting to everything right now. Say the gravitational pull. Okay? Do you feel the gravitational pull right now? Where does it come from? From the total mass of the Earth. Where does this total mass come from? From everything, every matter on the planet Earth. The gravitational pull is right now connecting you and the whole planet Earth. Wow. We take everything for granted, especially the gravity. When Isaac Newton was hit by that apple, he was first person to what happened here? Gravity. He didn't take it for granted, you see, and he became a great scientist. Even though he discovered the gravity, in terms of this planet Earth, but also the basic natural force in the whole cosmos, the gravitational pull that attracts every stars and planets spinning around it, and attracts every stars and another stars between galaxies and galaxies. You see, wow, that gravitational pull is great. And you are in part of this connectivity. This gravity is the love from our planet Earth. Otherwise, we cannot talk right here. We're gonna floating into the space. No life will exist with this exact number of gravitational pull. Not too much, not too little. Every cosmic constant should be perfect, exact the same as number. I don't know that number, but any decimal change, we are not stable. Okay. Take a deep breath. Ground yourself. Become the center of that connectivity. And right now, this moment, you're connecting to every cell of your body, and every cell of your body is connecting to other cells. It's like a huge matrix, not only in this body. And look at your surroundings. Every object is connected by the row or by the space. And if you look outside the room, the windows, every houses, every trees, every grasslands, every oceans is connecting by the space. And every object is connecting to other objects in the space, in different level, different scale. How could people say they're lonely? You could never be lonely. The only problem is that they cannot see the connectivity. They take everything for granted, which is a pity actually. Right now, the sunlight, directly or indirectly, is caressing your face and your body. It takes sunlight 8 minutes of traveling in a space to get you, to love you. Right now, at this moment, you are connecting with the sun. The mother, the creator of every life in the solar system. Can you feel the love right now? No matter you're sitting in the sunlight or in a room which sunlight is reflected through the space or the atmosphere into your eyes and onto your body. Everything and every no thing in this space-time is connecting to you right now. The weak force, the strong force, the gravity, the electronic magnetic force, the basic four forces in nature is connecting to you right now. The black hole in the Milky Way is connecting to you right now. Every word, you name it, every form, you name it, is connecting to you right now. From that perspective, everything you see, you touch, you smell, you taste is part of you. Can you realize that shift of consciousness? A quantum leap. You are the center of your world. And only thing is we need to do is to recognize it. You have been the center of your world for many, many years, and you are now the center of your world. You will be the center of your world. The totality, the wholesome, the oneness with everything and every no thing in the world. You are the center of that. The only problem is, do you realize it or no? If you realize it, you are the most healthy, wealthy, happiest person in the world. If you don't, no matter how physically, how materially you are wealthy, comparing to that level, I mean, we are poor. So the whole process of awakening is that you have that connectivity. You realize that wholesome, completeness, oneness with everything. From your physical body, from our physical body to emotional body, to a connective bodies, to the cosmic body. And from there, that understanding, peace, unconditional love, wisdom, creativity, stability, luminosity, clarity, inner strength, connectivity, diversity, simplicity, singularity. All these words becomes your realization. It's not foreign anymore. It's not far away anymore. It's you. All these words are talking about you and me and him or her. You see, everything you study in the book is talking about you, especially the wisdoms from the sages' teaching, from Jesus' teaching, from Buddha's teaching, from Lao Tzu, and any religious teaching is the core to lead us to that realization. Okay, that's a lot of information today. If you do like this topic, you can ask, and if you do have some questions, you can ask me. I can answer it in the next session. Thank you very much. Enjoy your totality and connectivity today, in your whole life, in the next lives. Thank you.